Hi, my name is Spencer Colgan and welcome to my channel, Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. And welcome to the exciting world of interior design, where wallpaper is king. This is a York installation, and if the cameraman comes up close, you will see this awesome design. And after you fall in love with it, I'm going to tell you what the paper costs. The homeowner paid $30 a roll for this beautiful high-end wallpaper. What do I like about York? Two things. Number one, the color doesn't run when you manipulate the paper. And two, the paper doesn't tear when you need to stretch it into place. So if you need any tips on your wallpaper installation, feel free to contact us at www.spencercolgan.com or visit us on YouTube, Spencer Colgan YouTube channel. If you have a question or comment, feel free to leave it in the comment section and we will answer your questions usually within 48 hours. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, click on like, and hit the little bell over here so that you get all of the notifications for our subsequent videos. Thanks for watching. Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. See you on the next one.